To cuddle, start by placing a hand on your partner's shoulder, back, or waist. Rest it there for a few minutes to make sure the other person is comfortable and interested in cuddling more with you. If you're sure they are, you can try different cuddling positions, like the half spoon, the stargazer, or the spoon. To spoon, the most common cuddling position, both partners should lay on their sides, tucked into each other. The big spoon, or the person in the back, can rest their head near the shoulder of the little spoon. If you're cuddling in a tight space, however, try having the larger person lay face up and the second person rest face down on top of them. Choose whatever's most comfortable for both of you. No matter how you prefer to cuddle, relax, and be playful. Cuddling is a sweet way to show physical affection. You can play with your partner's hair, plant little kisses on their forehead and arms, tickle them, and even give them a massage. Have fun and enjoy your time with your partner.